This is the brief on when manipulative order stops being recognized as illegitimate. Procedural order builds trust, but only if your system still distinguishes legitimacy from performative structure. Today, we're unpacking some new behavioral survey data from the Netherlands. Using spiral dynamics, a framework mapping how human values evolve, we're seeing exactly what happens when governments mistake forced compliance for genuine consent. First, the data and the shift. Across 32 respondents, there's a negative correlation of minus 0.54 between the blue value stage, which craves authentic order, and an Orwellian 1984 scenario hiding behind a communitarian gloss. Think of a teacher who demands absolute silence. Is the class actually engaged in orderly learning or just terrified into compliance? As the desire for true order strengthens, people fiercely reject performative, manipulative structures. Second, the system splinters. When you strip away that obvious tyrannical gloss, you lose a shared baseline of legitimacy. Because of that, different groups react to the exact same decision completely differently. Red values see a chance to break rules and grab power. Orange values just care that irrelevant ideology is wiped from their efficiency metrics. And green values mourn the loss of communal framing. So, if everyone is reacting to a completely different reality, how can any leader expect to maintain control? Finally, the operational collapse. Policymakers inevitably misread silent resistance as actual consent. Because the underlying structure is manipulative rather than genuinely legitimate, governance coordination simply fractures into isolated value silos. Ultimately, normalizing a manipulative structure doesn't stabilize society. It erodes legitimate authority and turns compliance into silent resistance. What breaks when a manipulative structure stops being recognized as illegitimate?